Welcome to the Power Site. In today's video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 garden and workshop tools and machinery for May 2023. These products have been carefully selected based on their performance, reliability, and features. Let's dive in. Number 1. The Hymt 5200X Garden Multitool by Hyundai Power Products. The Hymt 5200X by Hyundai is a versatile multi-tool that stands out for its exceptional functionality. Firstly, it offers a range of interchangeable attachments, including a chainsaw, hedge trimmer, grass trimmer, and brush cutter. This allows users to tackle various tasks without the need for multiple tools, saving both space and money. Additionally, the Hymt 5200X features a powerful 52cc engine, ensuring reliable performance and efficient cutting power. With its versatility and robust design, this multi-tool is an excellent choice for those looking for a comprehensive and cost-effective solution. Number 2. The HY5508 8-litre Air Compressor by Hyundai Power Products. The HY5508 Air Compressor by Hyundai is a versatile tool that's perfect for workshops and outdoor projects. One of its great features is its compact size, which makes it super easy to carry around. With its 8-litre capacity, it provides enough air supply for a variety of pneumatic tools like nail guns and impact wrenches. Whether you're inflating tires, working with air-powered tools, or doing some DIY projects, the HY5508 is a reliable and convenient choice. It's small, but it packs a punch. Number 3. The P4600SB Lawnmower by P1 Power Equipment is a reliable and high-performance machine designed to effortlessly tackle larger lawns. One of its standout advantages is its powerful 139cc 4-stroke engine. With its wide 46 cm cutting width, the P4600SB covers a larger area in less time, reducing overall mowing duration. Additionally, this lawnmower features a self-propelled drive system, making it a breeze to maneuver across various terrains without exerting much effort. The P4600SB also offers adjustable cutting heights, allowing users to customize the grass length to their liking. Number 4. The 21-18 BLCDB Combi Drill by JCB Tools is a powerful and versatile tool that's perfect for drilling, screw driving, and hammer operations. It provides the power and comfort you need to tackle various materials like wood, metal, and masonry. With its 2-speed variable gearbox and adjustable torque control, you can easily handle different tasks with precision. The brushless motor technology ensures a quieter operation, maximizes battery efficiency, and provides a longer run time. Backed by JCB's 3-year warranty, you can trust in the quality and reliability of this combi drill. Number 5. Next on our list is the HYC1600E electric chainsaw by Hyundai, a lightweight and powerful tool for your wood cutting needs. With its 1600 watts motor and 14-inch cutting bar, this chainsaw offers excellent cutting power for felling trees and cutting logs. Featuring toolless chain tensioning and automatic chain lubrication. Weighing just 3.9 kilograms and designed with an ergonomic handle, the HYC1600E ensures comfort during extended use. Safety is a priority with its electric/mechanical chain brake for quick stops in case of a kickback. The HYC1600E is a reliable choice for your wood cutting tasks. There you have it, the top 5 garden and workshop tools and machinery of May 2023. Whether you're maintaining your lawn or getting to work on those summer projects, these are some of our top picks. Thanks for watching. Visit www.thepowersite.co.uk today.